I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just not starting. Make sure you know how to open all that. Oh. Oh yeah, I can hear it jumping.
It's clicking. It's in me.
Alright. Wow, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Perfect. That's pretty awesome. Thank you for showing me how to connect those. Okay, here we go. Just take this and screw it in the top. Oops. Just set it to the car setting, and then it will automatically pump air until it hits your desired setting. You can increase it and decrease it as you want. It has a recommended setting, and then you can make it whatever you want. And it'll keep going until it hits the right PSI, and then it'll stop automatically. It has already a recommended setting for balls or bikes, like bicycles or motorcycles, cars. So that's nice. And then if yours is needs a little more or less, you can just dial it up or down. We went from 35 psi to 40.5 psi in just a few minutes. This thing works really great. If you're considering getting one of these, it's definitely a great choice.